guys, welcome to my channel. So it is November and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a makeup look while with chit chat, because I feel like we haven't talked in more than 2 weeks after all the Halloween makeup looks and the Katrina that we did for the month of October. I wanted to do another video, been postponed for I think about a month. We want to talk to you guys, chit chat, and why not do a makeup look. You guys know that every time we do a makeup tutorial we always talk, so it's very entertaining. I hope you guys enjoy that. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel, and let's get started. First of all, I just washed my hair last night and I feel like I can't really do anything, you know, like after that day that you wash it, it's like, oh my god, it's so hard to fix your hair the way you want it. But so the first thing I'm going to do is use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Mattifying Primer. And you guys know that I've been loving this one. I used a lot the other Maybelline primer, which is the Face Studio Master Prime from Maybelline, and you guys know I love that one, especially for the Halloween makeup tutorials, because there are, I mean, you're putting so much product on the face, and that one, because it's a gel, so I think the consistency and the type of product that it is, it's much better to work with. But I'm going back with this one. Plus I also like the other one. You guys know I love the other one, but I got just so tired of using that one for 2 weeks straight. After that, I'm going to put some orange concealer for my dark circles. Not too much, because I feel like I've been sleeping well, especially in the morning. I usually wake up at 5:30. I have to wake up at 5:30. In 3 days that I need to wake up at 5, because I need to fold some clothes that it's been there for a week and I haven't done that. I don't have time in the night because I'm in the night I'm exhausted, so I prefer to wake up early and then do this, like fold clothes that I need to do, or extra tiny stuff that I need to do that I can't do during the day, because in the night I just take a shower and I feel so relaxed that I just want to go to bed. So that's why in the night I don't do it. So after that, I'm going to use the Milani Screen Queen Natural Foundation, and I'm going to apply that on my sponge. And this is in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Did you guys saw the, oh my god, how do you spell those? Oh my god, I forgot the name of the awards. The awards where all the influencers, vloggers, I think trainers too, fashion awards that are on YouTube. Oh my god, I forgot. Oh my god. To be honest, people that I wanted them to win didn't win. To be honest. But it was my first time. It was my first time watching them. So after that, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Primer Concealer. Wrap my lids, house, everything. Do something on Halloween. We went trick-or-treating with the kids. We meet up with some friends and then started doing trick-or-treating. Oh my god, I put some boots, but not with heels. And I got so tired after 45 minutes of walking. And those boots, I could walk like 3 hours, 4 hours, and it doesn't matter because it doesn't have heels. And I was so tired. I had so much fun. After that, we went to grab a pizza, and yeah, the kids loved it. They had so much fun. We had so much fun too. Yeah, it was nice. For today's makeup look, I'm only going to be using Tres Lucy Beauty palette. You guys know that this is a Becky G makeup line, and that's because I feel like all the colors are here. And I really needed to clean this palette because for the Halloween makeup tutorials, I used it a lot. So yeah, it was all over the place. So I'm going to use the color Light. And this is going to be just to set the concealer. You guys know that I love this color to set the concealer. And then we're going to start playing with the makeup. Before that, We did all the Halloween makeup tutorials, the Katrina that you guys on Instagram, you guys loved it. So I am very happy you guys like the Katrina. You guys know we put some history. We learned a little bit about the history of the Katrina. But yeah, it seems like you guys liked it. So, oh, because I did a reel. I forgot to mention I did a reel of the Katrina after I posted the video on YouTube, and you guys loved it. Now I'm going to use the color Bella. Apply this color on the crease. So this is gonna be like our transition color. So yeah, so we did those and it was so much work. I'm not complaining. I love doing Halloween makeup looks or Halloween makeup tutorials for you guys. It's always fun. It's so different. And but yeah, but it's a lot of work. You guys know that I filmed with my phone, and plus the computer wasn't cooperating with me. Oh my god, I was going nuts. I was really frustrated. Now I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I feel like I keep talking and then I don't tell you guys what I'm doing, but I'm doing the same thing on this side. So yeah, so I was getting really frustrated. I was getting mad because I couldn't upload at the days or also at the times that I usually upload. You guys know I usually upload at 5 Eastern time for you guys, but yeah, I was going nuts. Now I'm gonna go with the color Alma, and with another brush I'm going to start taking out that color. It's gonna be like we're gonna drag the color outside of the eye, but not too much, just a tiny bit. And it's not gonna be that clean. So notice that you guys like also the chocolate lips makeup tutorial that I posted for you guys before the Halloween looks. I love that too, especially the chocolate lips that we called. And today I went to Target because I thought Target had, well, the Target that it's close to us, it's not big, but I thought that this Target that it's near us had already like all the Christmas stuff, but didn't have it yet because I was so prepared to buy stuff. I was like, I'm gonna come out with so many stuff because I want to buy some decoration for the background for the month of December. You guys know, and or I mean, if you're new to this channel, you guys know that I love to decorate depending the season, always switching the background. So I have already the idea of the Christmas theme that I want for this year. So I'm so excited to buy the stuff. But yeah, so that's why I really wanted to go and see what they had. That I'm going to use this beautiful blue, which is called Mar, with another brush, and just apply this on top of the lid. Just tapping this color. And oh my god, by the way, did you guys saw that Tres Lucid's gonna launch another palette called Posada Mexico? It's gonna be the season of the posadas, which is very traditional in the month of December. And oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't know what does that collection is gonna have, because it says Posada collection. I know that they're gonna launch, if you guys already went to their website or if you guys saw it on Instagram, they're gonna be launching a palette. So I'm super excited. I don't know if they will have a mirror like this that is removable and that is magnetic. I don't know. I already saw the palette and it looks so cute. I know they already launched a highlighter palette. Recently also launched some blushes. I'm gonna grab again the color Alma, and I'm going to apply it a little bit on top of the blue so it makes more sense. After that, I'm going to some mascara. So this is the e.l.f. mascara, because I'm going to start preparing my lashes before putting some falsies. And today, oh my god, it is so cold today. Like, I really need to take out all the hats and the gloves because I'm a person who gets cold easily. Like I really need my hats and my gloves. But yeah, it's getting cooler, absolutely cooler. So like we have our jackets already out, but I feel like I need my gloves. I'm going to use two concealers from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. 16-hour concealer, camo concealer, and this is in the color light sand. And now I'm going to use the e.l.f. hydrating camo concealer, and this is in the shade Fair Warmth. I'm just gonna start blending. So yeah, I feel like all the makeup brands are coming, not all, but starting to have this feeling of the holidays collection for this year. So excited to see what the brands are gonna give us this year. Now I'm gonna contour my face with the Parkiv Princess Tarte. I want to buy another contour palette, but I still don't know which one, because I love this one, but it's just like I'm just getting bored of the same one. You guys know what I mean? Got it. I just finished watching Outlander, the series Outlander on Netflix, and I know Outlander, it's been there for a while, but like I told you on my last video, on the last makeup tutorial, the chocolate lips, I never wanted to watch it, but anyway, so I watched it. I finished all the 4 seasons in, what was it, like 2 weeks and a half, maybe 3. Okay, but I kind of skipped it because I wanted to know what was going on. Like there were some parts that were kind of boring, not boring, but because they were on the let's say present time, it wasn't in Claire's time, so it was kind of boring, so I kind of skipped through that. But oh my god, I loved it so much. I can't believe the daughter traveled through time and was able to get to her mom. That was, oh my god, that was unexpected. I never thought that her daughter will travel you know, with her mom, and then meet and know her father, nephew, stay with the Native Americans. I really wanted the nephews to stay with the main character. I forgot his name, the Scottish guy. Oh my god. The blush, I'm going to use the Milani Rose Powder Blush, and this is in the color Romantic Rose. Also, the friend dies. Remember that they Claire and her Scottish husband traveled through a boat to get to his aunt. Ready to put some falsies. These, wait, I need my mirror. Underneath the eyes, I'm going to use again the color Alma, and I'm going to apply it underneath the eyes just to finish that makeup look. I finished watching Outlander. So excited for the next season. I don't know if they're gonna finish in season 5, but I really like it. I really like it. And right now I was watching this morning again Stranger Things. I don't know, like I have other series that I wanted to watch, but I want to wait for my soulmate. Now I'm gonna go with the color Vibrant, and I'm going to apply this on the inner corner of my eyes, just to have like that pop of gold. I have no idea where's my other mascara that I've been loving, the Air Volume Mega Mascara from L'Oreal. I have no idea where is it. I know I used it when we went trick-or-treating, before we went out for trick-or-treating, but I don't know where I put it. So I'm going to use also the one from L'Oreal. This is Voluminous Million Lashes Excess. And you guys know that this is, or was, my first favorite mascara. but now I switched to the Air Volume Mega Mascara. Use the color Divina, and I'm going to apply it on my nose. I know I'm using the wrong finger. You guys know that I did this for the Halloween makeup tutorials, and I love how I use this as a highlighter to highlight my face. So I'm gonna do that. I don't know how it looks on camera, but I love it. Guys, with the makeup, we're gonna move on to the lips. So I'm going to use 3 of them. So the first one I'm going to use is from Beauty Creations, and I'm going, oh no, it's not this one. I'm going to use Beauty Creations, and this is in the color Cheer. On top of that, I'm going to use my favorite one from NYX. This is the Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Abu Dhabi. Now, on top of that, I'm going to use the NYX Body Gloss in the color Madeleine. Oh, that's it for this makeup look. I love how it turned out. I didn't want to highlight the brown bones. I just want to keep it matte right now for this makeup look for fall. Love the blue. Like I said before, I never thought we'd use this blue, especially right now for fall, but I really like how it turned out with the brown. I think it's super cute, colorful, but we're still in the fall vibes. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy these makeup tutorials where we talk with chit chat. You guys can follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook, and now I have a Twitter. So I'll leave the down the description box or here on the screen of my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.